So today is gonna be a different video, guys. This is my everyday carry or my everyday gear. So for me, coming from being content creator, being also an audio enthusiast, and also a game developer, I have my own take on my daily carry, and this is my minimal daily carry. So we're gonna talk about why I chose each one of these, and maybe you can get a thing or two from your daily carry as well. So firstly, I was actually intrigued in our Discord channel. I'm gonna link it down below because people are into EDC. So I thought of why not make a video of my own. So let's do a top to bottom kind of approach. So first, let's go to my watch. So yes, I do use two watches all the time when I'm on the go. So let's go first with my right hand watch, and this is the SKX 009. So from Seiko. So I like that it's quite versatile because it's quite sleek looking, so I can use this when I'm using formal or casual as well, and also very functional. This is an automatic, and for me it kind of looks cool as well. I do have the Pepsi kind of color, so really a big fan of Seiko stuff. So I'm sure some of you guys here in the community are also into Seikos, so let me know down below what watch are you using. So that's for my right hand, and for my left hand I always use an Apple Watch. So this is actually an old Apple Watch. I've been using this for the past 3 years, and this is actually the Series 1. So mostly I use this for notifications because I am an iPhone main user, and also my exercise stuff. So tracking my walk, tracking my exercise as well. So really like this thing. I use this for the past 3 years, and still it looks quite good. So for the other features of the Apple Watch, I tend to not use them that much. But yes, for exercising and also notifications, really like this one. And next we can go to our knife, and for my knife I'm using the Opinel 06. So the Opinel actually is my kind of gateway to research more on knives. I was interested to check out knives because of our unboxing channel, and this landed on my table because I do find that it has a really good price. This is well known in the knife community because for the price and also for the performance, really good. You're getting a French knife, and I believe that the design of this one is designed for the last 100 years. So you're also getting that legacy of an Opinel. So I like that this is really sharp. So for opening packages, I didn't really encounter any issues. The blade is more in the thin side, but I didn't encounter any issues. It cut through anything that I am using it on. And actually I did use this for some food cutting as well. So really versatile in this one because it's a little bit longer than usual. So yes, it's not the most tactical looking kind of knife, but for me it serves the purpose. It's bare bones, you lock it with just this one, but for me it looks quite nice, and performs quite nice as well, and really light also. Yes, nice for me in the Opinel 06. So let's take a look at my audio stuff. So actually for my audio stuff, of course, being a reviewer, I change this from time to time, but this is 80% of what I'm using right now. So for my TWS, actually surprisingly, I didn't expect that I'm gonna use this one, but this is the Haki G1 Pro. And yes, I use this on a daily. It's not my best sounding TWS, but for TWS I'm looking more of convenience, and I like this one because of the fit on the ear. So as you guys can see, it has that fins. So this is one of the few TWS that I have with some fins, and this is one of the best fitting for me on the ear. So when I do some extraneous activities, some running, some biking, and also when I'm outside, this fits on the ear really well. I'm not afraid that this will fall off my ear, and also the build quality is really nice. This has also some waterproofing, so it's geared towards more of a warm kind of sound. But for the stuff that I'm using it on, for some casual listening, watching some YouTube videos as well, this fits the build, and connection is also really good. So again, not the best sounding pair, but because of that fit on the ear, this stays on my bag all the time. And I do like also the build quality. Battery life is good as well. So for me, in terms of the TWS, I'm not approaching it to have your max sound quality. I'm okay with having just okay sound quality, but really nice convenience. So that's why I chose this. So actually it might be differ for you in terms of priority, but that's how I use my TWS. But yes, for my real listening, I am using right now the Moondrop Starfield. So this is currently my favorite daily driver for my IEMs. So it's quite versatile, has still a pretty good separation for a dynamic driver. I can use it for some casual listening, also still for some mixing if I like to do that, and also some monitoring, nice fit on the ear, and nice tuning as well. So again, this is an IM that's kind of made for me. This is one of my favorites for sure in the price range. So again, Moondrop is really impressing me with their stuff. This is my currently daily driver for my IEMs. Of course, yes, being a reviewer, this changes, but 80% of the time, this is always what I use. So I actually forgot the camera. So for the camera, I'm using the RX0 Mark II. So I do have bigger cameras, but again, this is my minimal daily carry. And for my minimal daily carry, I like to go compact. So being compact is my top priority. So yes, my priority is compactness because I do have, you know, a really small bag. And this kind of fits the bill for me. So I'm not really an outside vlogger, but I'd like to carry one camera all the time, just for emergencies. If I, you know, think of you know, vlogging for the day, I have a camera to use for that. So yes, this is more of an action kind of camera. This is a 1-inch sensor, so a big sensor for you know, action kind of camera. But the unique selling point is this has, you know, your front-facing screen, so I can, you know, vlog on the go and see myself, you know, in the camera. Also the audio quality, I really like the RX0 Mark II. So yes, next would be our power bank. So I cannot live without a power bank because I burn through my iPhone really fast. So this is the Moshi Ion Bank 3000, and I really like this one because again, it's more compact. I'm, you know, looking for compactness in my setup, and for this one, I like that it has you know, vegan leather at the outside. It feels really good. And of course, what I like about this for sure is the cable. It already has a built-in cable, so easy to charge my iPhone with this. And again, another unique selling point is you can use this as a cord to charge with your charger. So you can use this and charge the power bank and also the iPhone at the same time. So really, you know, usable in this one. I do have, you know, a bigger power bank, but this is what I usually just bring a small one. So for my earphone case, I do use this one. Actually, it's a case for the Hi-Disc Sonata. So I always, yes, bring a Hi-Disc Sonata with me for backup. So the Hi-Disc Sonata is a USB DAC, and it has, you know, a case. And this is where I put the Moondrop Starfield. So Hi-Disc Sonata is an, you know, USB-C DAC that you can use with your phone. I do use it with my Note 8 as well, and I put my Starfield here inside. I do like it because it's really small, but frankly, I may upgrade to a leather case soon. So this, you know, EDC everyday gear might change, but yeah, this is what I always use for a case, and also for you know, your USB tag. Next would be maybe our phones. So I always carry two phones, one iPhone and also one Android. So first, let's go to my iPhone. So the iPhone is a iPhone XS Max. It's around 1 to 2 years old, and I still don't feel the need to upgrade. Of course, there's already the iPhone 11 Pro, but this one is good enough for me. So I'm mainly an iOS user. For my daily stuff, this is what I use for messaging, doing phone calls, you know, accessing my daily apps, social media, and also YouTube stuff. I use this all the time, and yeah, it served me well. But my one issue is it doesn't have a wide angle lens, so I tend to go to moment lenses, and that's why I have a moment case with mine, so I can put moment lenses. And also use this for zpolt unboxing channel. So I use iPhones only in that channel because I don't know, I just want to challenge myself to build a YouTube channel with just phones, so I use this there as well. So yes, iPhone for my main, and Android as well as my secondary device. So this is actually the Note 8. This is quite an old device, but still serving me well. Really big screen, and for what the iPhone doesn't do well, of course I can do it with my Android, especially for multitasking, downloading videos. It's just faster and easier with Android in general. So yes, you know, it's not my main phone, but it does serve me well, especially for some tasks. And what I like about the Note 8 is it has you know, pen. I use this for sketching some ideas. If I have new game ideas that I want to jot down, I use the pen for that. And also when I want to do some drawings, again, some ideas, this is what I use. That's why I don't have a pen with my EDC. The Note 8 serves me well in that part. So yes, I'm a carrier of two watches, also two phones as well. For my wallet, I'm actually carrying a minimal wallet. So firstly, I didn't really expect that I will survive in a minimal wallet because I came from a really big wallet. And when I transferred to the Sacred wallet again, I'm kind of trying to get used to it. But now after around 1 year of using this one, it's already something that I'm really used to, and I can't live without having a minimal wallet. So first, what I like about the Sacred mini wallet is you have easy access to your cards, which I use all the time. For your important cards like credit cards, this is what you can use. I usually fit 4 cards in here, and this also RFID protected, so really nice on that. And in terms of the size of the wallet itself, it's almost just the size of your credit card, so really small. I can put this anywhere. Again, compactness in my kit is my priority, and this is one of the key reasons why my kit is compact. You can still put some notes inside like here, so you can just need to organize it. I can put maybe 4 to 5 notes. I already got used to not putting so much in my wallet. It will kind of depend on you if you can get used to that, but for me, I got used to it. So really like this thing. It's already a bit scuffed up, but still nice in performance. I do recommend the Sacred mini wallet, and I do recommend you guys trying out mini wallets as well in general. I think it looks cool. It will change up the way you approach your wallet lifestyle. So Sacred mini wallet, actually all of these I'm gonna try to link all down below if you wanna get one. And my player as well is the EARPHONE. Again, more of compactness. So firstly, I do have bigger players and actually better sounding players, but for me on the go, on my daily stuff, I tend to go to something more compact, and this one fits the bill. It's small, really has a big screen, and the sound quality is enough for my usual kind of listen. If I want to have better sound quality in my day, I will bring the Mojo with me, so you can pair this up. And I have actually a strap to put them together. And also what I like about this one, it has custom equalizer as well, so I can change up the sound depending on what IEM I'm listening to. So this is also what I use every single day in my zpolt unboxing channel. So really like this thing. Battery life is also good. So yes, not all the time I'm into critical listening because I have rigs for that, but for on the go, I just want something light that I can carry around, and the EARPHONE fits the bill for me. Right, so that's actually all our stuff here. And yeah, sometimes I do bring headphones. Sometimes of course I do bring other IEMs, especially when I'm testing IEMs, and of course some TWS as well. But going for a minimal kit, this is the minimal stuff that I usually bring on a daily. This is my actual stuff that I bring on a daily, and this is actually quite personal, so subjective. So your mileage may vary on that. If you're carrying a different gear, that will be up to you because that's your lifestyle. It's kind of my lifestyle, being a content creator, being somebody who's into audio, and being also a developer. So this kind of fits the bill, and also a tech head for me kind of fits the bill for me. Covers all of the grounds. But if I'm gonna have some upgrades, I want to actually upgrade my knife to maybe Leatherman multi-tool, so that might be easier for me. And also of course for the TWS, I do want to check out other TWS as well, maybe in the future once I get more stuff here in the studio. But maybe this will be a recurring kind of thing. I will update you guys on my future EDCs or everyday carries. Maybe you can get some inspiration on your daily carry as well. So yes, let me know down in the comments below if you're into maybe knives, if you're into a minimal kind of wallet, and of course if you're into Seikos as well, or photography. So yeah, this video is kind of like that. I'm just exploring what stuff you like here in the community, for me to get to know you better. And maybe if you like some reviews on some of these, I can also feature them here in this channel as well. So yes, that's my everyday carry or everyday gear. If you learned something, of course leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And also if you did like this kind of content, let me know also down in the comments below. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpolt unboxing, zpolt review. Goodbye.